What is going on, guys? My name is Lextasy and welcome back to the channel. And yes, we usually don't start our videos this way, but we are in Greer Dragway right now. And yes, we're here with the GTR instead of the Durango Hellcat because this thing tomorrow, same time, is going to be at the shop already, getting even faster and getting a lot of parts installed. But why am I in the lanes and the staging lanes already? It's because, man, we have been fighting this rain. I don't know if you can tell, but these clouds are literally everywhere. Driving this way, got hit by rain, and then 2 miles from here, it was just straight pouring. So we're really trying to get some runs in as soon as possible. Hopefully we don't get rained out, guys. So the reason I'm here today is honestly just to get as much stats and information on how this thing runs. So I do have a Draggy with me because once we get the work done tomorrow, which is going to be E85, full fuel system, and of course downpipes, which is very important on these GTRs, we should be running even quicker numbers. So I really want to see like what our starting point is. So let's try to get a run in real quick. So let's get this video going. Alrighty, guys, first pass already. They're putting us back on the track, which is awesome. So I have not done a single pass on this GTR. I don't know what to expect. I don't know who tuned the car. We don't know nothing, guys. But we are in R modes all across everything. AC is off. I know that's very important. And let's see what happens, guys. I'm just gonna freaking launch it. Golly, man, let's not break anything. So this being, and we're gonna go over the whole list of everything that's done to it, of course, already. I'm hoping to run right at 7-second mark, which would be awesome. I remember this now, the helmet hitting the roof. Fantastic. Alright, looks like we're racing the old school Camaro. I like that. Alright, guys, come on, first run of the GTR. Let's see what happens here. I'm just gonna build a little bit of boost. Right at 2,000. Ready. Not bad at all. That was weird, man. That thump got me all kinds of nervous. Whew, I wish I had footage from the outside. We definitely won that race. We came around on him on the top end. Welcome to the turbo life. And now let's park it real quick since it looks like we're going to get some races in. And let's talk about this GTR a little bit, guys, because this is the first time we're here. It snapped. It did like a really weird snap, and I was like, oh God, no. I thought I snapped something, but then, I don't know. Then it kind of just took off, reeled itself or spooled itself up. Ooh, as long as everything's good, temperatures are good, boost is good. All right, so the GTR ran 60 foot of 222, of course. Yeah, that explains it. That's not a surprise. 8th mile, 777, but at 99.46, guys. So clearly, we'll just have a little bit of issue of taking off. So we're gonna work on that. Now that I know we can launch a little bit harder. That was 2,000 RPM launch control. Actually not launch control, just a 2,000 RPM launch. Sorry guys if I'm not too energetic yet, because I'm nervous, man. This $100,000 Nissan GTR that goes to the shop tomorrow. I ain't tried to blow nothing yet, but I do want to set a good number for us. So it is kind of low, 770, but again, it was not spooling up at all like I thought it would. It like almost killed the power, which was really weird. So let's park it, cool it off, and then run it again. All right, so what is done to the GTR real quick? Let me show you guys. So for the people that haven't seen the video on it yet, we are doing, or what is already done is you got the intakes from Cobb. You have the injectors. I think it's 1,000 cc. You do have a fuel system in here, and you got a big intercooler in there from Alpha, of course. So it does have a few upgrades. Now the problem is it doesn't have all the upgrades that we really want. So that's going to be coming tomorrow, of course. So you will see that in the next video. But we're in the 777, so it's nothing really to be impressed about. I'm coming from a 6,000 pound Durango that ran faster than that. Oh! Yeah! So it's not like, you know, it's like blew my mind or anything, but I know it can do better. I know it can do in lower sevens. Let's go ahead and watch some races real quick. Let this bad boy cool off and figure out what we're gonna do. All right, guys, so I just talked to William, who works at Go Turn Stop. He's actually gonna be the one working on my car, tuning it and doing everything on it. And he said to put the car in R for transmission, R for suspension, and off traction completely and try 2,000 launch. See what it does, because it literally killed power, because you can hear it like it spun the tires just for a split second, and that was enough for it to just say, no, you're not doing anything. So we're gonna kill the traction, so it might just spin like crazy, who knows, but we're gonna do our 2,000 RPM launch. 93 fuel, of course, as always. We're not ready for 85 till tomorrow. I'm so pumped. So let's put this helmet on. Let's have some fun, guys. All right, guys, let's try this again. Engine oil temps of 170, coolant 170, trans oil temp 170. So everything's right up where it should be, but of course, it's definitely warm out here. I think it's like almost 80 degrees outside. Jesus. That's a 1 Series Beamer out there. Okay. Oh, wow, he spilled all kinds of stuff. Uh-oh. Yeah, there's a massive puddle in front of me. I don't know if I can take a photo of it. All right, boys, let's go, man. Let's go. I'm gonna do a 2,000 RPM, no traction control. Let's see, either she's gonna spin like a mother. Come on, come on, come on. God damn. She hates to take off. What is wrong with you? Like, you can hear it. It's like, bop. Come on, come on, come on. And then it's just like, oh, gone. Stop playing with my feelings. I know you can take off. I don't care if you spin it or not. That is such a weird feeling. I'm gonna try 3,000, man. I'll be, screw it. I don't know what else to do. It's like, I hope you guys can hear it, but it's like a knock, which of course, that's all the slack and everything coming out of the drivetrain, but then it slowly reels up. So I guess I'm not spooling up the turbos enough to actually build boost. I don't know. That sucks. I know it was a little better, but not much better. I mean, it's not like it's spinning. It's just, I don't know what it's doing. Like it wants to go, but it just can't go. 761. Yeah, so it's better. I mean, we'll knock off almost 0.2 of a second. 212, 60 foot. So it's getting better, guys. It's just we got to dial it in. Dude, it's like fighting me. We hit 100 miles an hour. That's the big thing, guys, that we got to understand is the fact that 100 miles an hour and we're doing only 760, so that means it's just spooling up on the top end. So this car is going to be all about figuring out the 60 foot. The quicker the better we do that, because that means the faster you get off the line, just like on the Durango where the weight catches up to it. The Durango does 160 60 foot. This thing's like 212. It ain't even close. Not even close, guys. So we're gonna keep working on it. I'm gonna launch at 3,000. We're just here to have fun, just to get as much data as possible. Imagine going from 760s to like 690s, which I think is doable, and that's gonna be awesome. So let's just go ahead and park right back into the lanes, man. Screw it. I got nothing to lose here, man. The car is gonna be heat soaking. Yeah, it's 190 right now, trans oil temp and everything else, but it is what it is, guys. Right back into the lanes we go. Dude, I gotta say, man, the people out here is super awesome, dude. Everybody's super cool, man. Like, nobody's trash talking, nothing like that. I love it. As you can tell, God, that GTR looks so good. I lined up with the V6 Mustang again. We're gonna run again. That was who I ran in the last one. There is a track hog behind me as well out there creeping, man. That sucker looks so good. It makes me want to miss mine, but that Durango just does the Lord's work very well. So let's let it cool off. We're gonna do a 3,000 launch and kill the traction control again. I just gotta let it keep building boost and keep the boost instead of just killing it. So I don't know what's going on, but after tomorrow that will never be an issue again. But we're here just to get standard times. Imagine going from running 760s or whatever in the 8th to like running in the 5s. Like, just that growth we're gonna have from 1,000 wheel horsepower, 1,500 wheel horsepower. That's what I look forward to, just memories that we make. And then it's just gonna be so much cool to look back at it and be like, holy crap, we did that and now we're doing this. So makes me miss my truck so much, though, I'm not gonna lie. What was that? Golly. You better be fast. Anyways, guys, so this is race number 3. We've set for probably hour and a half because that 240 wrecked, and then holy crap, guys, he just hit the wall. It's a little Nissan on the top end, just smacked the wall right over there by the light on the left side. Golly, man, I'm glad he's all right. Golly, that's brutal. He is lucky to be alive, man. That was a wild ride right there. He dragged that wall for probably 10 to 30 feet. Golly. That's like 100 cars in line now. So I was going to do a 3,000 RPM launch. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to kind of roll off of it and then max. But it's not helping whatever I'm doing to try to get more traction just by raising my RPM. So I'm going to roll off of it, hopefully get a better 60 foot and then roll from there. So let's see if this is the best time we have. I think we're at 760s right now. Let's see if we can beat that real quick. And we're racing our friend in the yellow Mustang again, so we should be fun. All right, guys, one final showdown before we take this bad boy and really start dropping money into it. So let's have some fun, man. That's all what it's all about, man. That's why I love coming out here. Yes, we got 3 races in 3 hours, but that's just part of it. it's fun to watch other cars race though, man. So it's all about just having fun. All right, slowly roll off it and then mash it, man. Just no point of doing 3,000 RPM launches, literally. No need to kill traction either, since we're not launch controlling it. So that's the yellow Mustang we're racing out there. Let's have some fun, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, last final race, hoorah, before we send it to the shop. And is she really doing launch control on my ass? Okay, fine. Dude, I wasn't gonna do that. I was not gonna do launch control. She freaking started revving. I was like, wait a minute. So I revved up to like 5,000 RPM. And I was like, wait a minute. This thing is like wide open throttle. That was so much better. Holy crap. I was not planning to do that. Holy mother. Wow, that was way better, guys. Way better. Definitely not in the 760s no more. Wow. Yeah, I think I lost like 3,500. I don't even know. Wasn't even planning on doing that. I was just like, screw it, man. Thank you. Okay, what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? GTR 670, huh? No. 717. They can still see me, but I'm gonna scream, holy bicycle, 717, guys. We just improved. Oh my god, 64 was near 220s, guys. Please, 99 is what we trap, which is fine. That's normal, but dude, what? Okay, close that so people don't see me. Oh my god, we did a 717, guys. We just went from 760 to 717. Oh, I want to get back in lane, but I'm pretty sure it's already 9 o'clock. We won't be able to get through that lane fast enough. Guys, yes, that's what we wanted. That's what we freaking wanted. I did not think we could improve our time that bad. That's all it was. Okay, I'm so glad I did launch control. Holy crap, guys. I can't believe it, man. I was not going to do launch control. I legitimately wasn't, man. I even said it like, hey, I'm just going to roll off of it. No point. And then I heard a rev and I was like, should I? And then jumped to like 5,000 RPM and I slowly rolled it down to like 3,500. Launched. Oh my God. 717, guys. And we're just 93 pump. If we do E85 and we're literally going to get a lot more horsepower, I'm not gonna say how much. We're gonna need a drag setup, guys. Holy crap, I want to scream so bad. 170s. That Durango did that and it has all that work done, so of course it weighs more, but dude, that's impressive. That is so freaking impressive, man. Oh, we have so much work we can do to this thing. Oh my god, I keep forgetting how amazing this car is. That's why we're back in it, guys. I knew something was drawing me back. Like, I had to do it. I had to get another GTR, and now I'm super happy that I did. Like, I know at the start of this video I wasn't like really energetic, but like because I was like, okay, 93, whatever. But now it's like, Jesus Christ, there's so much work we can do, so much potential on this thing, and I don't know why I forgot about it. But imagine this channel having like a 1,500 wheel horsepower car, 1,100 horsepower truck, and you know, another 1,100 horsepower Durango. It's gonna happen, I promise you guys. But if you like what you've seen, thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, this GTR is back, gonna be on the track on E85 with downpipes, a lot more louder, way more power, guys. So thank you so much. Enjoy your cars, enjoy your lives, go to a drag strip. It's so much fun, guys. It's amazing. I really love it, and it's a great part of my life. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.